My first step is to factorise the top and the bottom of the fraction separately. As I've got two terms on the top, I always try single brackets first. I need to factorise the highest common factor from both terms. Looking at the numbers, here I have 6 and I have 42. The highest common factor that divides into 6 and 42 is actually 6. Now look at my letters, I have x cubed and x squared. Well, the highest common factor in x cubed and x squared is actually x squared. So 6x squared is my highest common factor from both terms. Opening a single bracket, what do I times 6x squared to get back to 6x cubed? Well, I'm missing single x. I know the sign must be the same for a single bracket. What do I times 6x squared to get back to negative 42x squared? Well, in this case, I'm missing negative 7. Factorising the bottom, again, as I've got two terms, I always try single brackets first. I want to factorise the highest common factor from 2x cubed and negative 98x. Looking at my numbers, well, 2 and 98, the highest common factor that divides into 2 and 98 is number 2. Looking at my letters, here I've got x cubed and single x. The highest common factor in x cubed and single x is just single x. Now opening my single bracket, what do I times 2x to get back to 2x cubed? Well, in this case, I'm missing x squared. I know the sign must be the same for a single bracket. What do I times 2x to get back to 98x? Well, in this case, I'm missing 49. On the bottom, I should now notice that I've got a difference of two squares, i.e. a square term subtract a square term, as 49 is a square number, i.e. 7 squared. Hence, this can be factorised further as being into double brackets x plus 7 multiplied by x minus 7. Simplify my fraction. I know 6 over 2 will give us 3. I know x squared divided by x will give us single x. And I know x minus 7 over x minus 7 will cancel. Therefore, I'm left with 3x on the top over x plus 7 on the bottom.